Let's style my Zebu Artemis vampire top. I have been styling this top like incessantly, but I spent a good amount on it for this beautiful piece of artwork, and it's like stunning, so it's worth every penny, and so I will style it until I cannot style it anymore. I also recently got this spiderweb piece from Widow, and I feel like these together could be really, really awesome, so I'm going to buckle this up. But look how cool it looks so far. Once it's all prepared, it'll look even better. Here's how it looks when it's all on, and I pulled the little cross right here through so I could poke through, and this is what we got so far. It reminds me of chainmail a little bit, like a little bit of an armor kind of vibe, so maybe lean into that, do something. I think I want to go with these trousers because they're flare at the bottom, but I don't love this situation. Like, I like the more slim shape right here, but I want to add some more bustle, so let's play around with that. Twazi gifted me this duster a while back, and the color match I feel like is pretty gorgeous. So you've got like a little bit of like peekaboo action with the pants, and I love like a nice flare at the bottom when you have something more A-line. It's just super fun. So I think I'm going to accessorize a bit more down here to bring attention to the entire outfit. Is it an Annalise outfit if chiffon is not involved in some way, shape, or form? So I'm thinking of tucking it in the straps back here because I like tied it up messily, and it'll also cover up the little duster sleeves. I think I'm going to tie these on my bangles so that we can have some more like arm stuff going on. I don't know, it feels very like armor-esque, I don't know. So I'm going to take this, I do this, but I'm thinking of taking a black ribbon and wrapping it around because a lot of times people point this out, and I agree, that the little tie of the chiffon looks a little bit funky, especially when I'm putting so much care into the rest of the outfit. It's just like lazy. So we're gonna see about just wrapping the ribbon so that it doesn't detract from the rest of the outfit. This is how it looks with the ribbon covering up the little messy part, and I love it. And it drips down my arm. How pretty. As a little finishing touch, because I did want to add some more stuff dangling here, I have this moon belt from Crafter Day, and I feel like it's so perfect for this kind of like vampy look because like vampires can only be out at night. So kind of draping it under the chains right here and having it sit like this, and then we're done. Here is the completed look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is magic. It really is. Not to toot my own horn, but